No. I want a sergeant. I need you to be here. Can you step back? Can you please back up?
All right. She's gonna get arrested. Oh, no. For what? We'll be easy and Citrus Ave. Roll down the window. Roll down the back window.
For what?
Cause I'm fucking telling you to, okay?
No. I want a sergeant.
Put it in the pocket. Give me your keys.
No.
Okay, step out of the vehicle.
No.
Have her step out. Cause I'm fucking telling you, okay?
No.
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Have her step out. Ma'am, step out of the vehicle.
I need you to be here.
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle or I'm gonna help you out. That's what I'm asking. Get out of the vehicle or I'm gonna help you out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle.
Okay, can you step back?
I'm giving you plenty of space.
You are not
Step out of the vehicle or I'm gonna put my hands on you.
You are not gonna put your
Step
hands
out of
on
the
me.
vehicle.
Why am I not?
Are you gonna step out of the vehicle or not?
My license.
I'm not asking for your license. I'm telling you to step out of the vehicle.
I am trying to step
I'm gonna
out.
give you one more try.
Can you?
Get out of the vehicle.
Okay, can you step back?
I'm giving you plenty of space.
You are not
step out of the
giving me a
vehicle,
no.
or I'm gonna put my hands on you.
You are not gonna put your
Step
hands
out of
on
the
me.
vehicle,
Why am I
or I'm
not?
gonna. Are you gonna step out of the vehicle or not? I'm not asking for your license. I'm stepping.
Ma'am, he's telling you to step out right now.
I am trying to step out.
I'm gonna give you one more try.
Can you please back up?
All right.
Did you call us?
I guess.
Okay. What's going on?
So we were at 101st Street or Ave.
Okay.
It's a right turn. It's a right turn only, and it was a red light, but it's like a very, very big opening.
Okay.
Sort of went, and I gave her a lot of time, or him, on the videos. They didn't go, so I gave him a little honk. They still didn't go, and then after like 30 seconds, there's still a big opening, so I threw like one more, and they flicked me off.
Can you please back up?
All right.
David, he has his hands on me. What the heck?
Someone's on your back now.
Dave. I'm in cuffs.
Hang up on her, baby.
I don't know. They won't tell me.
I got it.
For what?
I got it.
For what? Can I please ask?
Or resisting.
I was asking you to let
Or
me
resisting.
step out.
Good.
Are you serious?
If we go 10 years.
Do you have anything on you?
No, I do not.
Spread your feet.
I have nothing on me.
Put her in the car, please.
All right, continue.
And so,
She finally turns and whatnot, and then we go. And then we just go around her, and not like speeding her up, and she's going really slow. And then she just whips it. I'm like, all right, so let me go do it again on the other side, whips it again. So I told him to pull his phone out and start recording. We have the video of it.
Okay.
We went to go past again. Literally, she was going to let us, and then very last second swerved over and came to a complete stop.
The brake checking, not letting you pass.
Yeah, that's when we're like, all right, we're going to call the cops. The video was just in case she did do the brake checking and shit, and she ended up doing it, so that's why we called the cops.
So you have the brake checking on video too and all that?
Yeah, I think not the really bad one, but you could see her go left, right.
Okay. These officers are probably gonna get your driver's license if you got that, and then your phone number as well. So just have that ready for them, all right?
We're gonna get statements first. We're gonna have it clean. So, if you want to let this officer know your observations, do you think it's okay if you write a witness statement basically on what you saw?
Yeah, sure.
we were just sitting at a light, and no cars were coming. It's a right turn. She just sat there for a couple minutes. She gave her honk. Hey, no one's coming. We're delayed. It's starting to lift. So, and then she then decided to push us off and everything. We finally were able to drive, and as we tried to go around her, she just kept flirting back and. So you're traveling a 2-lane road? Yeah. And she was not letting you pass? She wouldn't allow us to.
Ma'am, are you able to face. Nope, you're not getting out. You're able to face that way. Just gonna make sure your handcuffs don't tighten up on you. That's all. You have anything on you that's illegal? Anything that's a poke, sticker, anything like that?
No.
Any narcotics on you at all?
No.
See if anything illegal like that on you at the jail, it's gonna be an additional charge, and I don't want that for you.
Can I ask why? Like,
Why what?
why am I getting arrested?
They said you're under arrest for resisting arrest.
I wasn't resisting. All I was asking was for him to back up so I could step out.
Okay. You're gonna have to talk to him about that one.
That's what I was asking him to do when I could step out. Like, I didn't feel comfortable with how close he was.
Okay. Well, for now, I'm just making sure that these don't tighten up on you, okay?
Can you at least, like, answer the phone and tell my freaking fiance what's going on?
We'll do that in a minute. You have a seat? What the hell is going on here?
Thank you.
Yep.
Is it Miranda? Miranda. Miranda. Where's your boyfriend at right now?
He's mowing lawns somewhere.
Where is your boyfriend at right now? Do you know?
If you pull up my phone on Life 360, it'll tell you where he's
Okay. Do you have anyone that can come pick up your car
at.
so I won't have to tow it?
No, I don't have. I mean, if you call him, his friend might be able to.
Okay.
I don't have anybody but him.
Okay.
I'm sorry for
We're gonna-
resisting. I didn't. With you cursing and everything, I just got really. I've been
Cursed?
You cursed.
I wasn't.
You came.
You weren't rolling down the windows. You stopped in the middle of the roadway.
Because I saw
I don't
you
know
put
what
your
it
hand
do-
up. I
What?
didn't know. I saw you guys put your hand up in the windshield, so I didn't know if that was for me or the guy behind me, because he's been tailgating me all the way since VLE. And I'm like, what the heck is going on? So I didn't know if it was for me or for him. So that's why I stopped, because I just stopped.
In the middle of the roadway?
I'm sorry. I just panicked.
Okay.
And I mean, I've like been in abusive relationships. I just got out of really crappy ones. So with you cursing, I was just like, and you being so close, I was just like, I can't handle.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just
Miranda,
don't know what's going
but listen,
on.
listen what's going on, okay? So I want to explain something to you, okay? So we've been getting calls. These guys have been following you because of your driving pattern. You're driving recklessly. You're brake checking cars. You're stopping traffic. That's why they're following
I
you.
wasn't stopping.
That's why we
traffic.
knew exactly where you were at. They have video of you.
You
They're
just-
writing statements. Two people, okay? Two people are writing statements about how your driving pattern was, and that you're driving recklessly to Sebastian. Okay, we've been getting calls from Roseland all the way to here. That's why it's not a coincidence that we just randomly showed up here, right? Because we were on
Yeah,
the dispatch was telling us where to be at what specific time because they were following you, right? When I tell you to get out of the car, you have to get out of the car. It's no ifs, ands, and buts.
I know.
Listen. You were not getting out of the car. I gave you more than. We're not gonna play those TikTok.
I know.
All that.
I
We're not
know
gonna
that.
do all that. And I understand a lot of people get misjudged because of what they see online and stuff like that. If I tell you to get out of the car, I expect you to get out of the car. I've given you multiple chances. I only cussed at you. I didn't even cuss at you. I cussed in the sentence
Yeah.
to roll down the fucking window because your windshield is too. Your windows are too dark. I can't see you. I don't know what you do. You're stopped in the middle of the roadway. That's an officer safety thing for us, okay? I gave you multiple chances to get out of the car. You did not get out of the car, okay?
Well, I'm
That's
sorry,
pretty. It's pretty
I
straightforward.
know. I just
Okay.
panicked. I didn't know.
And I understand that. Maybe it was the heat of the moment. I'm not, but this is what's gonna happen. Okay, you're gonna be under arrest for resisting. Okay, you're gonna have a $500 bond. Your phone is gonna go with you. Do you have the phone? Her phone?
Yeah, it's in there. Trump. You?
Let her call the boyfriend and see where so he can come pick up the car. Is he gonna cause a scene?
He shouldn't cause a scene.
He shouldn't,
No, he probably won't. He's at work.
because I feel like you're already going to jail.
No, he
I
won't.
don't need him to
He
go to
won't.
jail either, and I don't need somebody else right next to you.
Yeah, no, he won't.
He's not?
No, he won't.
Okay. Bring the phone. We're gonna make a quick phone call. And I'm not saying you do have anything. Do you have anything on you? The bra line.
No, I don't have any.
As soon as we go, have you been arrested before?
No, I've never
Okay.
been arrested.
He was just calling actually.
How do you?
If you swipe up, right there.
I'm gonna talk to him really fast. Door's gonna be open.
His name's David.
David. Officer Martinez, Sebastian Police. How are you?
Good, how are you? What's
Good.
going on?
Hey, so are you near Sebastian?
I'm literally I was headed towards her. I just turned on the easy street.
Okay, hey, so we're on Easy and Orange, okay? So if you just want to show up and we'll explain what's going on, but I need you to just be chill about it, alright?
Is she being arrested? What the hell
Yes,
is going on?
I will explain to you when you get here, but if you're going to cause a problem when you get
I
here,
see you. I'm about to pull up.
okay. Alright, I'll see you here. Alright, just going to go with you, okay? Alright, David?
Yep.
Okay. So, she's gonna get arrested. Because she's gonna get arrested.
Oh, no. For what?
Are you gonna be an issue?
No, I'm just
Okay. Well, she's getting arrested for resisting.
for resisting.
Yes.
What did she do in the first
Hey,
place?
so she's a grown adult. I don't have to explain that to you. I'm giving you the courtesy of. So I don't need your attitude either. That's what got her in trouble. Okay? Well, you got multiple calls of her reckless driving through the city of Sebastian, and that's why she stopped. And then she stopped in the middle of the roadway. Okay? I don't need the attitude, man. I'm giving you the courtesy. I don't have to.
Okay.
I'm giving you the courtesy. I'm giving you that respect, okay? She's going to get arrested for resisting. She's going to get a $500 bond in the River County Courthouse. You can bond her out as soon as, like, in 2-3 hours. Okay?
Okay.
Can you take the car?
But what's?
Can you take the car, yes or
Yes, I
no?
can
Because
take
it's parked in the middle of the road.
Yes, I can take.
Instead of me trying to tow it.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to ruin her life either.
No.
So that's why I'm trying to work with you. Please work with me.
Okay.
Okay?
Is it $500 or
$500 bond.
Is it 10%?
10% of $500.
You work that out with a bondsman, but
But yeah, long story short, call the courthouse, call the jail, and they're going to direct you the best way possible because I don't work there.
Yeah, I was
So
on
I
the
can't.
phone with her the whole time. She said these assholes came up behind her and laid on the horn behind her when she was at a light waiting for traffic.
Because
And that's
we've
what got
gotten
her fired up.
several calls of her reckless driving through Sebastian.
From who? From her? From them?
That's all we got, man. That's all we got.
and there's a video of it.
And there's video, and they're writing statements, but she's not getting arrested for reckless driving
Okay.
because we have to observe that.
Okay.
She's getting arrested because she refused to comply when I told her to step out of the car.
I was on the
If
phone when you asked her to step out of the car. You didn't even ask her for license and registration.
I don't
nothing.
have to, guys. I tell you to step out of the car. You have to step out of the car. Pennsylvania versus Mims is case law.
Okay.
I don't need to ask her for anything. Given the cause for reckless driving, given her stopped in the middle of the roadway, given her attitude, given her failure to comply, I have all the right to order her out of the car if I ask her to. And she wasn't doing that. And I gave her more than once, more than twice, more than 3 times, several times. I understand it's in the heat of the moment, but look where the heat of the moment's at now. It's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. It's a misdemeanor.
Yeah, I hear you, but there's no way you can just cut
No,
her.
bro, I can't. If I put my hands on somebody, they have to go to jail, unfortunately. And I had to put my hands on her.
She just told me she's just having a bad day. She's just
Everybody has bad days, but don't let anger cloud your judgment. And I think this is. She's calmed down. I've already talked to her. She already explained to me. I'm like, hey, important. I already went through the whole steps with her too. She understands. It's not the end of the world. It's just a misdemeanor. $500 bond. She'll be out today. A couple hours. So give it. We're gonna from here. We're gonna go over there to the jail. Give it a few hours. Call down to the Indian River County Jail, and they can help you a lot or answer some of those questions more than we can, because obviously they work at the jail and stuff. Okay.
Just out of curiosity.
Go ahead, man.
Thank you for your time. How do I get her picture taken off the website?
That's gonna be the county. That's gonna be the county jail. We have nothing.
So I need to go through the county jail.
To the only. They're gonna book her in just for the resisting. She's gonna go to court. The judge is gonna. That's gonna be the whole court system at that point. Okay. I'm more than happy to give you a card, case number, and everything. But that's just yeah. Let's just go ahead and get that car out of the roadway. Key should be there. Do you have a license? That way, since you're driving, I just have to run you and make sure you're not suspended. Just cover our corners.
If I'm suspended, I had no idea about it.
I know. But that's what I'm saying. Like, okay, maybe she can drive then at that point. So.
Is there any way I can just talk to her for a minute or no? Is that a thing?
Well, we're just waiting on the.
I'm gonna get over as soon as I can.
Yeah.
Let's go. Right.
Yeah, get you something.
Her driver's license in the driver's seat. I just put it right there. Yeah. Is it cool if you take the sunglasses and the ring?
Take the sunglasses and the ring. That's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you just at least tell her I've already got a bonds person going?
I'm sure she already knows. Well, he already talked to her anyway, so.
All right, I've already got it. She's waiting for her to get there.
Alrighty. Well, sooner we get there, the quicker. All right.
No worries.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Y'all
you.
have a good day.
Thank you too.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.